Ever noticed how a translated text can feel off? Like a legal document losing its formal tone, or a poem losing its poetic flair. Those aren't just tiny errors, they're stylistic mismatches that can alter meaning, tone, or even the purpose of a text. Today, we're diving into a breakthrough called Babel, a framework redefining how machines handle style in translation. Let's start with the problem. Neural machine translation, NMT, has come a long way, but it still struggles with style, the voice of a text, whether it's formal, poetic, or casual. Current systems rely on parallel corpora, pairs of text in two languages, to learn style. But here's the catch. Parallel data is scarce, especially for niche domains like law, literature, or medicine. Plus, translations often flatten style, turning Yoda's wisdom into plain sentences or legal jargon into casual chatter. Enter Babel. This framework tackles style without needing parallel texts. How? It uses monolingual corpora, vast collections of text in a single language, to detect and fix stylistic issues. Imagine training a system on millions of Chinese essays or English novels, not on side-by-side translations. So how does it work? Babel has two key components. First, a style detector that analyzes source and target text to spot discrepancies. Think of it as a linguistic detective, identifying if a translation is too casual, too formal, or just off. Then comes the diffusion-based style applicator, a method that adjusts the translation's style while preserving meaning. It's like editing a document to match the original's voice without changing the facts. The results? Babel identifies style issues with 88% accuracy and boosts style preservation by 150%, all while maintaining a 92% semantic similarity score. Human evaluations show Babel's translations feel more natural and true to the original. What's revolutionary here? Babel doesn't require parallel data or major overhauls to existing systems. It's a post-processing tool you can plug into any translator, making style-aware translation accessible across languages and domains. This isn't just a technical win. It's a step toward machines that understand not just what we say, but how we say it. And that's a game changer for everything from legal documents to creative writing. Now let's get technical. How did researchers build the foundation for this breakthrough? They created Babel-Corpus, a bilingual dataset curated from 5 distinct domains: law, literature, Wikipedia, medicine, and education. Each English text has a matching Chinese version, and they're kept in the same style. A legal document from Law Stack Exchange pairs with Chinese law regulations, while a classic Chinese novel sits beside its English translation. This parallel structure is key. It's like giving AI a playground to practice switching styles between languages without losing the original message. But building this dataset wasn't just about collecting text. The team meticulously prepared it, scrubbing out personal info, standardizing formatting, and ensuring every snippet had a full sentence. They even prioritized privacy, removing names and addresses to keep things neutral. It's like creating a safe, neutral lab for AI to experiment. No biases, no distractions. To test Babel's effectiveness, researchers compared 3 approaches. 1. Separate BERT models for English and Chinese. 2. Separate XLM-R models, a multilingual AI. 3. A single cross-lingual XLM-R model that handled both languages at once. The winners? Separate BERT models. They achieved an average 12% higher accuracy in style detection than the cross-lingual approach. Even separate XLM-R models outperformed the single model setup by 5%. It's like using 2 specialized tools for a task instead of one all-in-one gadget. Sometimes specialization wins. Why does this matter? Imagine translating a medical document into simple language for patients, or turning dense legal jargon into everyday speech. Better style transfer could make information more accessible and human. It also highlights a bigger trend. AI often shines when it's tailored to specific tasks, not trying to be a jack of all trades. This research isn't just about datasets or code. It's about making AI more precise, ethical, and useful in our daily lives. And as always, the journey of understanding AI is just beginning. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit subscribe for more adventures in AI, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Until then, keep questioning, learning, and wondering.